Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove stickers from WhatsApp chats, follow these step-by-step instructions to clean up your conversations and free up storage space. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and navigate to the chat where you want to remove stickers. Step 2. Find the sticker message you want to delete in the conversation thread. Step 3. Press and hold on the sticker until a menu appears with several options. Step 4. Tap the trash bin icon or delete option to remove the sticker from the chat. Step 5. Choose whether you want to delete for me only or delete for everyone if you sent the sticker recently. Step 6. If you select delete for everyone, the sticker will be removed from the conversation for all participants, but you must do this within a certain time limit after sending. Step 7. To remove sticker packs you no longer use, tap the sticker icon in the text input field. Step 8. Tap the plus icon to access your sticker collection and management options. Step 9. Tap the menu icon next to any sticker pack you want to remove. Step 10. Select delete to remove the entire sticker pack from your device and free up storage space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.